in action. We got action. It's another one right there. Yeah, them tomatoes busting. Sage thriving some more, even though we cut her. I'm finna have to come back out here. Sweet potatoes, I replanted them. They back thriving, rooted strong. We got some more tomatoes over here too. Oh, I can't see them right now. Oh, they're going. Sun right there. Some in there right there. Tomatoes busting right now. This cantaloupe or melon, whatever one it is. We still being patient with her. You see big baby right here, she getting heavy. A few of these doing good. This tomato doing real good right here. This one, I probably gotta come through, trim that off. But that was happening before it even got the transplant though, so I ain't even tripping too bad. Cucumbers, bro, I don't know what's going on with them, but we got some on the way, to say the least. And then we got the peppers busting right here. More coming in, the seeds busting through. You see them babies came through strong. They busting, they ready. Then you got these fruiting. They getting ready to give me some, give me some. Look at her, she busting. She so purple in there. Ooh, I know that boy finna be spicy. What the happened to Shorty though? A bus? Oh no, I think that's just the flower. The wet flower. But yeah, boom. Then we got the new cucumber out here ready to go. You see she thriving early. And then we got her sister right there. And then they in there with the peppers on the accident side. The potatoes thriving, and I can't even give them no more soil. For real, I can, but it's like, you know, we thriving a little bit up in here. We got some more growth up in here. But yeah, these potatoes over here is growing. You see they in the net. I can't even do nothing about them. It's either have them like this or have them no net. And it's like, I'd rather kind of hurt y'all a little bit than let something else take y'all from me. But we got this little situation going on in here. This situation in here is getting it's getting wild. That right corner over there is looking green, to say the least. But I'm excited for this in here, for real. Because once this start growing and once this get big, it's gonna be crazy.